Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you how we're going to create and how we're going to do the what they call this one, real-time face recognition. So as we can see, we have a lot of our cascade classifier here. So we have our cascade eye, our cascade frontal default, the R Cascade Smile. So we create here a Python file contains face dataset, the face training, and the face recognition. So once we open our face dataset, we're going to input the picture, capture the picture, and uh, save it in our dataset folder. So a while ago, so we have already created here. We insert two pictures here, two images, okay, with 30 numbers of samples, and then we have also our trainer here, okay, for the face recognition. So we already compiled it while ago. Okay, save. Sorry. Okay, interpreted by our Python program. Now we're going to open our face recognition here to simulate our program. But I just want you to radically share that a lot of our friends are actually experiencing problem, particularly in this area. Okay, in CB2.face LB, it's a face recognizer create methods or functions. So it made an attribute error. Why? Because face is not detected. The only solution, once we install the article issue on the Python and we install the OpenCV library, we need also to install the Pillow, but this is how we're going to do it. We upgrade the pip and then we upgrade the Pillow. So Pillow or PIL, it stands for Python Imaging Library. So this library is actually very much important for us to store and recognize the images that we're going to simulate. And then in this error, once we install this, okay, if this error occurs, all we need to do is to install the OpenCV Contrib Python. So once we install, and of course, if our files are still open, try to close that and open it or restart once again. And then that's the way how I do it. And this is the exactly output. Okay, if I'm going to run now the real-time face recognition program, so for example, I'm going to click run and run module. So I'm going to minimize, right? So as you can see, this is the image. So this is my image on the video. So it detects, and of course, the percentage of accuracy, and it names 0. Now, if I have also another image, a picture of our child, okay, so it detects also. This is the okay, so that's the name of our child. So that's how we're going to want to show on this video. Okay, for as a real-time face recognition, which actually we can use that particularly in checking attendance later. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope I give you some important data, particularly in real-time recognition. I found in a lot of websites that mostly error that they are experiencing is with this one. So I just install this, okay, and then close the Python files and restart it, and voila, it succeeded. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video.